Well, here she is. I got her out of a shed from a friend. It's a 1979 Honda CM185T. I've already done a little bit of polishing up on the fenders, so they're actually not in that bad of condition. I've already started pulling some of the parts off, and I've got them down in a box. The Honda logos on the tank, I've got those, and set those off to the side. This tank's going to get pulled, and it's got a little bit of rust on the inside, not an enormous amount, but we're going to get her stripped down and repainted. I think a nice hunter green I've picked out already, and the seat you can see has already been taped up, and it's started peeling back the tape to try and discover just exactly how bad it was in there. And it was all the way bad. It's anyhow completely shredded, so I'm planning on making a new seat cover for it. Maybe not exactly the same style, but I kind of like keeping the original look as much as I can. I've already pulled the exhaust, and so it's been polished up a little bit, and actually the chrome doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna blow it out and take a peek at how I can get it set back up. And the engine itself, once I've cleaned it off with a little bit of engine cleaner and done some basic work, isn't in the worst condition. See the throttle cable there? I've already pulled the carburetor because it was pretty bad. It was jammed up pretty bad. I had to clean that, and pulling the throttle cable out itself was pretty difficult. It was seized up, and it was just absolutely packed all over the place with Mud Dauber wasp nests. So I got my work cut out for me. I've never done work on a bike before. Well, at least not until in the last couple weeks, when I've actually done quite a bit of work restoring this little Suzuki FA50. Got her going again, and she's running up and down the road real nice. She's kind of fun to ride on. She gets up to a max speed of about 25, 28 miles an hour. You get 28 if you're going downhill with the wind behind your back, but get my youngest daughter on there too. She seems to enjoy it quite a bit. But anyhow, here's the big work, and it's going to take me a little bit of time to get it done. I'm not sure if it runs, what kind of shape the engine's in, but part one.